Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse, and today we're brewing coffee with the Delter Coffee Press. Now, the DCP is a compact, durable coffee brewer that applies water to the ground coffee like a syringe, injecting or pressing the water through a bed of coffee rather than having that ground coffee fully immersed within a body of water. And it's this style of injection method that makes a very clean cup of coffee, akin to a flat bottom pour over brewer, but with noticeably less bitterness and without compromising any flavor or body in the cup. Now, the Delter Coffee Press comes with 100 paper filters and a bean scoop that seconds as the brew lid, and this all weighs less than 250 grams for the perfect travel brewer or ease of storage at home. So if you're looking for a new way to brew your coffee or a present for a mad coffee friend, then you can shop the Delter Coffee Press in this link up above. But right now, let's dive in and get brewing using the DCP. First up, we're going to place a paper filter in the cap and then give that a quick rinse to get started. Then we're going to keep the plunger in the main chamber, turn it upside down, and we're going to add our coffee to the compartment here. Now, this is our brew chamber, and as you can see, it is isolated from the water chamber by this jet seal valve. With a number of holes in it, this acts as a dispersion across your dose of coffee as you press down on the plunger. The recipe I'll be using today is a standard brew ratio of 1 gram of coffee to 16.5 grams of water. So by adding 21 grams of coffee, I'll be brewing with 350 grams of water. Grind the coffee to a medium fine grind and add this to the brew chamber. Then screw the filter cap all the way down until it is flush with the main chamber and then won't turn anymore. Flip it over and place it onto your cup or server now. So one of the many aspects I do enjoy about the DCP is the volumetric measurements on the side of the water chamber. So you don't need any scales to be adding your water or to continue brewing from here. So since I'm brewing with 350 grams of water, I'm going to add my first 200 mils by filling it up to that line with 96 degrees Celsius or water just off the boil. So you can go ahead and place that cap on top of the DCP, and this will stop too much heat from being lost. Remembering though that the water hasn't come in contact with the coffee yet, so I wouldn't go ahead and start my timer until I begin pressing down. Now, bringing that plunger up, and in my case, I'm going to stop at the 50 gram mark, and this will measure out the amount of water you want to use for your pre-infusion. I recommend at least twice as much water as dose coffee, and then begin pressing down very slowly on the plunger, as you want that water to be fully soaked up in the grounds and not pressed straight through the cup. So we're going to wait 30 or 40 seconds here for that pre-infusion to finish before bringing the plunger back up for our next press. And the chamber on the DCP is tapered up to the top, so you get the best press and pressure beginning at around the 150 mark on the plunger. Pressing slowly always seems to get best results for me, and I've discovered the most sweetness and balance in the cup this way. So we're just going to lift up that plunger and then press out our last 50 grams, and then we could call it quits here with a nice concentrated cup of coffee. But another great feature with the Delter Press is that ability to add more water without end. So my aim is to have 350 grams of brew, so I can go and add another 150 grams to that brewing chamber and then press one last time to finish off my coffee. Now, some of the tastiest brews I've enjoyed using the Delter Coffee Press have been using slightly more coffee in the dose and then going all the way with 3 full presses to 600 mils, and then you have enough coffee to go around the room and share with your friends. But 350 mils seems just right for me. And depending on how much coffee and water you use, you could have coffee to drink straight black, as I will do, or you can add it with some of your preferred milk. And in cleaning the Delter Coffee Press, just turn it upside down and give it some gentle knocks on the bench, and this will keep all those grinds together when you unscrew that cap, and then you can dump them out easily. With a quick rinse underwater, ensuring that those seals are well cleaned, it'll be good enough to brew again, or make sure you dry it before placing it away for next time. And there you have it, the Delter Coffee Press or the DCP. It's great for home or in the office, and especially on the road where you can make multiple coffees for you to share or enjoy on your own. So if you have any questions on the Delter Coffee Press, then drop them in the comment section down below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen, and then that way you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.